Bonjour les amis. Vous avez déjà appris les nombres cardinaux lors de la dernière séance. Aujourd'hui, nous commencerons par les nombres ordinaux. You have already learned the numbers, cardinal numbers, in the last session. Today we will begin with the numbers ordinaux. Now why have I written this? This is a subject pronoun. Vous is a subject pronoun. Déjà means already. Avoid verb. Avoid. Ave. A-V-E-Z. Vous avez. You have already learned. Apprendre is a conjugation of the verb apprendre, to learn. I will just give it to you. Apprendre, to learn. Les nombres cardinaux. The dernier is last. D-E-R-N-I-E grave R-E. Séance. S-E-A-U-A-N-C-E. Session. Aujourd'hui, every time I say aujourd'hui means today. No is we. We have already learned the subject pronouns. I always end up saying Allah, commencero, that way. So today we will begin. Commence is a CER verb, which also I will give you. So today I will give you apprendre verb, commence verb, par le nombre ordinaux, ordinal numbers. The numbers ordinal, the ordinal numbers. Today we are going to learn with the ordinal numbers. Okay. Now here what happens is I always tell you bonjour les amis, aujourd'hui je vais commencer par. So what is commencer? Commencer is CER verb. It's a CER verb, and apprendre is a irregular verb which I will give you today. So today we are going to learn les nombres ordinaux. Ordinal numbers, first, second, third. What is first? Premier. P-R-E-M-I-E-R. Note down in your notebooks. Second is, see now how are you going to form ordinal numbers? You know, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, seven, this with, all that you know. Numbers 1 to 10, 11 to 20 and all that. So, you have to add D-E-E-U-X is 2. You have to add I-E grave M-E. I-E grave M-E. Everywhere you will have I-E grave M-E. But, when the number is ending with E, like quatre, Q-U-A-T-R-E. 4 is Q-U-A-T-R-E. We have already learned 4 is Q-U-A-T-R-E. Now what you have to do, drop the E and write I-E grave M-E. Wherever the number ends in E, you will drop the E and add the endings I-E-M-E. Now what is 21? 21 is V-I-N-G-T, E-T, and you will add I-E-M-E to 1. U-N-I-E grave M-E. 21, then 22, 23, all will be same. The format is same. The only thing you have to see is when the number is ending in E, you will drop the E and add I-E grave M-E. So please note this down. These are the numbers format. Once you know the cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers becomes very, very easy. Now today's vocabulary. Ouvrez vos livres and write down this cahiers, I mean, because they are notebooks. Open your notebooks. Ouvrez votre cahier. La télévision. L-A, today's 5 words I am giving. L-A, T-E-A-G-U, L-E-A-G-U, V-I-S-I-O-N. La télévision. Television is feminine word. La table. L-A space T-A-B-L-E, the table. Le banc, L-E-B-A-N-C, the bench. Le tableau noir, L-E-T-A-B-L-E-A-U, T-A-B-L-E-A-U hyphen N-O-I-R, the blackboard, La salle de classe, L-A space S-A-L-L-E space D-E, C-L-A-S-S-E, C-L-A-S-S-E, classroom. So, television is feminine singular, table is also feminine singular, le banc masculine singular, le tableau or noir, it's a blackboard masculine singular, la salle de classe, classroom is again feminine singular. Please note this down, and I have told you that I will teach you today the verb apprendre and commence. Okay, so let's start with that. You note down these words in your notebook. Every session I will give you 5 new words. So you come across and your vocabulary improves day by day. Commencer. C-O-M-M-E-N-C-E-R. To begin. To begin. Now, J-E. C-O-M-M-E-N-C-E. T-U-C-O-M-M-E-N-C-E-S. I-L-E-L-L-E-O-N-C-O-M-M-E-N-C-E. Nu. C-O-M-M-E-N-C cedilla O-N-S. Here it will be C cedilla O-N-S. Woo. C-O-M-M-E-N-C-E-Z. I-L-S masculine there. E-L-L-E-S feminine there. C-O-M-M-E-N-C-E-N-T. Now we will make the sentence. I begin the lesson. L-E-C cedilla O-N. It's a feminine noun. Lesson. L-A space L-E-C cedilla O-N. I begin the lesson. You begin the lesson. She begins the lesson. Everywhere. Okay. Everywhere you add the. So it becomes a full sentence. Je commence la leçon. To commence. Whenever it's a place with cedilla, C will sound as S. To commence la leçon. Elle commence la leçon. Nous commencions la leçon. Vous commencions la leçon. Elle commence la leçon. Okay, this is a commencer verb to begin. Now I told you I will teach you apprendre. Apprendre, to learn. To learn. Now je, A-P-P-R-E-N-D-S. I learn. You have already learned the possessive pronouns. My lesson. I learn my lesson. You, A-P-P-R-E-N-D-S. You learn your lesson. Ta, T-A. Now here you are also learning the possessive adjectives. Mo, ma, me, to, ta, te, so, sa, se. Okay. La, L-A, L-E. I'm so sorry. I repeated. T-A-L-E-C cedilla O-N. He, she, il-L-O. He, she or one. S-A-L-E-C cedilla O-N. No. But what am I doing? I am not writing the verb. Hello. Here the verb will be A-P-P-R-E-N-D-S, A-P-P-R-E-N-D-S, A-P-P-R-E-N-D, sa, S-A-L-E-C cedilla O-N. No. A-P-P-R-E-N-O-N-S. L-E-U-R-L-E-C cedilla O-N. Woo. A-P-P-R-E-N-E-Z. V-O-T-R-E. Votre. L-E-C cedilla O-N. I-L-S. E-L-L-E-S. A-P-P-R-E-N-N-E-N-T. A-P-P-R-E-N-N-E-N-T. L-E-U-R-L-E-C cedilla O-N. And here it's going to be N-O-T-R-E. Notre. With no it is notre. We learn our lesson. N-O-T-R-E. Okay. So first of all, what is apprendre verb? To learn. A-P-P-R-E-N-D-S, A-P-P-R-E-N-D-S, A-P-P-R-E-N-D, A-P-P-R-E-N-D, A-P-P-R-E-N-O-N-S, A-P-P-R-E-N-E-Z, A-P-P-R-E-N-N-E-N-T, A-P-P-R-E-N-N-E-N-T. This is double N-E-N-T. And now here I have framed a sentence. J'apprends ma leçon. Tu apprends ta leçon. I learn my lesson, you learn your lesson. Elle apprend sa leçon. He, she, one learns his lesson. Nous apprenons notre leçon. We learn our lesson. We learn our lesson. You all learn your lesson. Vous apprenez votre leçon. Ils apprennent leur leçon. They learn their lesson. So I learn my lesson, you learn your lesson, he, she or one learns his lesson, we learn our lesson, you learn your lesson, they masculine, they feminine learn their lesson. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Merci.